To return, to go back. 回 Go back home. 回家 Can 会 I can sing. 我会唱歌 Railway station. 火车站 How many? How much? 几 How many cups do you have? 你有几个杯子 Family 家 I love my family. 我爱我的家 To be called 叫 She, her 她 She is called Rachel. 她叫 Rachel. Today 今天 9 9 To open, to start 开 Open the door 开门 PandaYeet